How to view the desktop version of a website in Opera browser for Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can view the desktop version of a website in Opera browser for Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now of course, you might have the Opera application installed and then maybe you go to Instagram or Facebook, whatever else your question may be, you basically are redirected to the mobile site. But what if you want to enable desktop site for this? Well, to enable a desktop version of the site for this is also very simple. Just tap the three dots option located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll be able to see all these sorts of interface where you can see this toggle over here that says desktop site. All you have to do is turn this on, and this web page right over here is going to be get turned into a desktop site, just like how you see it on a desktop computer. And again, as always, if you'd like to disable it, you can just tap the three dots option and then just turn off this toggle, as you can find it here. And that's all it takes to go and basically view the desktop version of a website on Opera browser. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.